In this video, I'm going to cover how to use a web form to get new subscribers to your text messaging list. And as an example here, I have a little plain WordPress site set up, and you'll see that over here on the right we have a form where I can enter a mobile number and subscribe. And so when I enter my mobile number in here, hit subscribe, it tells me thank you, and then I'll be getting a message shortly, a confirmation message. And the message I receive depends on the what you enter in your settings. So I want to walk you through all of this right now. So let's go back to our list, and the message I just got on my phone is this: reply pizza to confirm your subscription to Rick's Pizza VIP Club. So essentially the instructions are telling me to how do I get on this list, and this is the same as what you might even have on a sign in the restaurant, and that is send the word pizza to this number. Well, I just sent a confirmation, I just sent a text message from this number, so all they have to do is reply. In this case, reply pizza. So when you first set up a list, this will actually be blank. You're not going to see anything here. So as a starting point, you can copy and paste this in and then modify it to your needs. You'll want to tell them what keyword to send, and then anything else you want to tell them to let them know that you have a special list here and they have to reply in order to confirm their subscription. And the reason for that is there are FCC rules, regulations that stipulate these things, but also it just makes common sense. Anyone could go to this web page and just start typing in phone numbers, and you don't want to have that liability. So you definitely want them to confirm. Okay, so the message you type in there, this is what they'll receive, and when they reply, everything else works as normal. They're sending a message to this number with the word pizza in it, and it'll add them to this list. Now the way you actually get the form on the web page is you copy and paste this HTML here. So select all that, copy it, and then you can paste this on any web page on the internet. They don't need WordPress. They can use pretty much anything as long as you can insert some code into the web page. You can do that. Now I'm on my same website here for the demonstration. I've gone into my widgets. I added a text widget. I just drug over this text widget here and dropped it in, and I'll remove this one. But if I expand this, you'll see that I pasted in this code and then just hit save, and now it shows up over here on the right. I did it this way so that if you know some CSS, if you know some basic HTML, there's a lot you can do to customize this. I mean, for example, you could just enter some text above it. Let's see, get special deals available only to our mobile VIP subscribers. Okay, so you can enter normal HTML above it or below it, and you'll see the result here. So if I refresh the page, you'll see there's a code I just entered. Now you can actually get a little more detailed. Instead of adding it above, you could add it even right inside here. Now this is where it gets a little dangerous. You need to pay attention here, and you want to be careful, because if you change any of these names or things in here without knowing it, the form can break. So, but I'm going to paste this in for the demonstration, and let's refresh. and now you'll see that we have a little blurb in there in the box. So it's very free form. You can do just about anything you want with it, and so you can make it look, you can change the colors, that type of thing, with a little CSS. So now anytime someone enters their number in there, they will automatically be added to that particular list. Now each list has its own code here. Really the only thing that changes is this ID number down here. That's the only thing that changes from list to list, or possibly the URL. If you are, if you're using a different website, then the URL would be different, the domain name, and then this number. So pay attention to that. You don't want to get your crisscrossed thinking that you can just paste the same code into every web page. You want to make sure that the right people are being added to the right list. So you always want to set it up and then test it.